Good morning, everyone. We are getting the Jeep ready. We're going to go day tripping down south today. We're going to do a south loop. So we're going to be waterfall chasing. It's a little rectangle kind of around where this campground is. We did the northern section yesterday. We're getting ready to take the bikes off. It's easier for us to get the dog in and out of the Jeep without the bike rack there, but I wanted to show you the little duck. I got ducked yesterday in Eagle River. Is that right, Dave? Was it in Eagle River?
Eagle River Lighthouse.
Yeah, Eagle River Lighthouse. The lady came up and said, "Hey, you've been ducked." And I was like, I don't really know what that means. And she said, well, there's a QR code. She said, just go to it. You post a picture of your Jeep. And it's kind of like a little game that Jeep owners do, I guess. Haven't had enough service to do that yet, but...
Facebook, I think she said.
Yeah, post it on Facebook. So that's what we're doing right now. We will let you see what our first waterfall is.
Hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way.
Our first waterfall is found outside of Lance, Michigan, Silver Falls. We got down in here. I saw a video before we left. A guy was camping. He's like, you got to go through a couple gates. So we got to this road going to a waterfall, and there's a gate. And we're like, oh, we got to turn around. And then I remembered, I was like, oh, guy said you got to go through the gates. So we got up to the gate, and you can go through the gate. But we got back here, and this road is not good for our Jeep.
Dakota Farm Road is the name of the road. We had to turn around because there's a tree laying across the road.
So we're trying to get back to civilization and just learn that we're not going through any more gates. Because although this is a Jeep, this is a nice Jeep. This isn't an off-roading, do crazy stuff with it Jeep. So we will let you know if we made it at the next waterfall. Well, we made it off of that sketchy road that we're never ever going to do again. Get the dog out. We have made it to the next falls. Let's get over there and get a video of it. Whew. Is the Jeep all right, Dave?
Yeah, but I don't know if you know that, but we went through that one ditch. The Jeep was teeter-tottering on 3 wheels.
Probably a good thing I didn't know that.
I didn't want to tell you that to scare you.
His little Banny. Powerhouse Falls. What a cute little stream. Canyon Falls is located at a recently renovated roadside park on US 41 near Alberta. The trail back to Canyon Falls is about 1 mile in length. It is considered the Grand Canyon of Michigan. The rock has broken straight line faults, resulting in a very boxy canyon that looks like the walls could almost have been man-made. Sparrow Rapids campground. This is a free campground. Spot number 1. Somebody in there. Spot number 2 is open. Somebody is in 3. Somebody is in 4. Five is open. That's a big long spot. And 6 is open. No, sorry, 6 is not open. 6 is full. Surprised there are this many people down here. It's Tuesday. 2 spots are open though. Free camping. Sparrow Rapids Campground. Agate Falls is another roadside park. It is considered to be Michigan's most picturesque waterfall. The waterfall can be accessed by the improved foot trail that leads to an overlook, and you can access the railroad trestle that is above the overlook if you wish.
A little out of breath. I just got walking up this 7,500 foot embankment to this railroad trestle at Agate Falls off of Michigan. I think it's 28. Walking out onto the bridge so you can see the falls here for the railroad guys used to be able to see. There's the highway, falls. On the other side of the trestle, they use these old railroad tracks and trestles as UTV trails and snowmobile trails in the winter.
Okay, I am hurrying, trying to hurry. You're not going to believe, I hope this works. Out here on a major road, walking across the bridge, because David has this harebrained idea. Oh my God. Wait until you see this. Dave just pulled back up and see how he felt. Was that fun?
Yeah, that's fun. I had to go back a mile that way and come out a mile that way.
Okay, well, wait until you see the pictures in the video.
Got the video on this phone.
All right, well, hey, let's tell them we're going back to our camp now. getting ready. Well, actually, we're gonna stop off at the little campground we stop at to take a shower. Taking a shower, and then we're going to camp. We're leaving Cortney Lake tomorrow, heading down into, remember the county name? Marinette County, back into Wisconsin. Thanks for hanging with us if you're still with us. We are getting ready to leave site number 7. It is deep. It is right by the lake. We have loved it here. Almost hate to leave it, but we have to move on. Now we are heading south, back into Wisconsin. Site number 7 at Cortney Lake is our recommendation. 14 days, $14. Stay 14 days. Half price if you have the America the Beautiful pass. Okay, we have made it out here to the flat road where we can hook up. The Missouri contingent of RVs came out of there like a caravan.
Yeah, they stopped and they was checking stuff too up at the stop sign.
Okay, it's really kind of that easy. We've got to hook up some safety cables and the wiring harness, and then we'll be ready to roll. As we entered Marinette County, we were able to stop and take in 12-foot falls and 18-foot falls after we had a brief stop in Iron Mountain on the way into Marinette County. I'll let the dog choose. And our last stop in Marinette County is Dave's Falls Park, our second trip here and one of my favorite spots of all time. Found a free camping spot on the banks of the Wisconsin River. Dave, where are we?
I forgot the name of the town already.
Spring Green, Wisconsin?
Yeah, Spring Green, Wisconsin.
Okay.
Highway 14 and 23.
There's a highway right there, but if we have to, we'll muffle the noise with our generator and run our air conditioner on fan if we have to. Here's our little setup over here. We are tucked right into the trees. We got a little bit of spaghetti going. Are you happy with the spot, Dave?
Yep, got shade.
Yep. All right, we'll see you in the morning. We're not sure what we're doing tomorrow yet. Well, we know we're got to head home. But we may head up, Wisconsin Dells is 32 miles away, so we may run up there first. Before turning in, we had a quick trip up to Peck's Market in Spring Glen, Wisconsin, checking out their fresh produce and canned goods. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like to, and we'll see you on the road.